Ever wondered why you keep seeing ads for products you almost bought? That's the magic of retargeting, a powerful digital marketing strategy. Retargeting tracks users across the web, ensuring your brand stays top of mind for potential customers who didn't convert on their first visit. By placing tracking cookies in a user's browser, businesses can follow their journey and serve tailored ads on other websites and social media platforms. Imagine browsing an online store, leaving without buying, and then seeing ads for those exact products everywhere you go online. That's retargeting in action. Retargeting is essential because it targets warm leads, those who have already shown interest, leading to higher conversion rates and better ROI. It's cost-effective, focusing on users familiar with your brand, and it significantly improves brand recognition in a competitive marketplace. To maximize retargeting, segment your audience based on their actions, like adding items to a cart or just browsing, for more relevant ads. Craft compelling, personalized ads that speak directly to the user's needs, such as offering discounts to those who abandon their shopping carts. Avoid overwhelming users with too many ads by setting frequency caps, ensuring your ads are seen just enough to be effective without being intrusive. Leverage dynamic retargeting to show users the exact products they viewed, creating a personalized experience that significantly boosts conversion chances.